What's up, you cool cats and kittens? So as of recent, I have been really interested in the effects of nutrition on brain health. The more that I've read and listened, it's been interesting to understand that there's been little scientific focus on the convergence of the two. Historically, neurologists have not been taught nutrition in their curriculum. Yet as we have found over time, the neurological diseases and degenerative diseases that we care so much about, like Alzheimer's, shows little genetic predisposition. As it's published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, for instance, only about 1% can be attributed to genetic predisposition. Much more of it relates to our lifestyle and our eating habits. So, here we're going to talk about nutrition's effect on the form and function of the brain. In terms of form, it's true that our brain is purposely separated from our bodies by what's called the blood-brain barrier, which is a dynamic and complex interface between the blood and central nervous system that regulates brain homeostasis. One of the most important functions of the BBB is its pathways, which contributes to the nutrition of the brain. Its walls open very selectively, letting in only select vitamins and minerals that make our brain work effectively. Now, our brain is about 80% water and equal amounts fat and protein, each serving a unique role, needing different ingredients to optimally work. So that brings us to function. There are a couple of foods that are critical in providing the nutrients to ensure that the neurons in our brain are sustained, healthy, strong, and keeping us cognitively sharp. Here are some of them. First, fatty fish. Why? Fatty fish like salmon and wild tuna contain a type of omega-3 fatty acid called DHA, which is super critical to brain function. Multiple studies have shown that the consumption of omega-3s are very assistive with preventing cognitive decline and also promote the production of the feel-good chemical in our brain, in serotonin. These are some of the reasons why we've seen omega-3 and fish oil supplements skyrocket. But remember, from my video earlier this week, consuming the whole thing is much better for you in getting the nutrients you need. And for my vegetarians out there, the good news is that flax seeds, leafy vegetables, walnuts, avocados, and virgin olive oil are fantastic alternatives for getting omega-3. We're going to talk a lot more on this subject in my lunchtime conversation with my wonderful mother tomorrow at noon Eastern Time, so be sure to tune in. Second is berries. Berries, especially blueberries, are packed with flavonoids and antioxidants. Flavonoids protect neurons against neurotoxins. They help suppress inflammation of the brain and promote memory and learning function. Third is foods rich in carotenoids like dark leafy greens, broccoli, and carrots. I can't overstate how many functions carotenoids serve. One specifically called lutein is known as the brain's workhorse molecule. Feed it. There are so many more, but the last two examples I'll give are sexy ones in dark chocolate or cacao and coffee. Dark chocolate, look for chocolate having over 70% cacao. Besides being rich in antioxidants, promotes robust circulation and blood flow to the brain. In moderation, coffee is good because it has caffeine, which is the stimulant that blocks adenosine, an inhibitory neurotransmitter in the brain that makes you sleepy. So in effect, coffee keeps our brain alert. Okay, that's a lot, but there really is so much more. So check out the sources in my description. And if you like podcasts, I'd recommend that you look for two folks that I enjoy in particular, Dr. Lisa Mosconi and Max Lugavere. Have a great day. We'll see you for our live conversation tomorrow.